The Inventory IQ system installed in your facility is a powerful tool to help your company get the most out of its supplies. By following a few simple steps, you can ensure that you get the most productivity and value for you and your company. Your manager will register you into the system using either your fingerprint or facial recognition. Once you are set up, you will have the ability to enter the supply room on your own by presenting your finger or face to the authentication device. Once you unlock the gate to the supply room, you enter, closing the gate behind you, and pick up the scanner. This scanner screen will be familiar to anyone who has operated an iPhone. Select your name from the available names on the screen to log in. You may now begin taking out items by scanning their barcodes and removing them from the room. Before you start scanning items, your supervisor may require you to enter a job code so the items you are moving in and out of the storeroom will be flagged to a job or purpose that management wants to track. The job code will display at the top of the screen here. If your company uses this feature, your supervisor will show you how to add the code and what code or codes to use. You enter the storeroom in need of a pair of work gloves, a jar of anti-seize, and 2 yellow paint markers. You pick up the scanner and select your name to log in. If you've been instructed to use a job code, you would input that now. You locate the style and size of gloves you want and scan the barcode below the bin. The screen confirms that you're taking out 1 pair of gloves. You pull the pair of gloves from the bin. You locate the anti-seize that you are after. You can scan the label on the bin, and you can also scan the barcode on the jar. When scanning barcodes on boxes, etc., just be sure to double check your scanner screen that the scanner recognizes the barcode and brings up the item on the screen. If the scanner doesn't recognize a code, you'll have to find a usable barcode. When you get to the yellow paint markers, you wonder, am I taking out an individual marker with each scan? Or do I scan and then take the whole box? On the screen, you can see that the quantity is set to each, so each scan will account for just 1 marker. Since you need 2, you can either scan twice, or you can make the adjustment right from the screen. Don't forget to take the markers once you scan them. You select Submit to record the transaction, put the scanner back in the dock, hit the exit button, and leave the storeroom with the checked out items. So what happens behind the scene when you take an item out of the system? Your manager now has access to quality information. Because the system consistently updates inventory counts, she can have confidence that the information in front of her is accurate up to the minute. She can tell at a glance what items are in need of reordering. She can quickly see the results of any procedural changes that have been made. She can better forecast what your needs will be going forward. Anytime she sees something that is out of the ordinary, she can access video details of any transaction to better understand what happened and quickly correct problems that she finds. Simply put, Inventory IQ enables your company to be more efficient, which benefits everyone. The more conscientious you are to make sure that you scan every item every time with the right quantity, the more value your company will see from the system. Thanks for watching. You're now ready to take items out of the storeroom. For training on more advanced features, watch part 2 of this tutorial.